If configuring your virtual machine's network to be connected to the bridged adapter does not give you access to the Internet, you can use the following network configuration to connect VMs available on VirtualBox and still have access to the Internet. Open your VM settings. Switch to Network Settings, enable Adapter 1, and configure it to be attached to NAT. Then enable Adapter 2, and configure it to be attached to the bridged adapter. Do the same network configuration on the second VM. To verify, try pinging the other VM and Google DNS. I hope this is informative. Thank you for viewing.